Good afternoon, guys. I think all are well. Today discuss ADX. ADX Additional Movement Index. This is good for chart. You can check this ADX through trend. This is not to tell trend. This is trend strength. How does market strong buyer, strong seller? You guess from this indicator. Just I will discuss. At first, I will take to company briefly. This is deriv. There are a lot of instrument is there. 365 days you have trading. Volatility index, crash boom index, step index, range break, jump index. DEX index, drift Swiss index, multi-step index, basket index, crypto index. So many pair is there, crypto pair also. Forex minor, major, exotic, micro, metal, you gold, silver, platinum, aluminium, copper, nickel. So many currency, yeah, metal pair is there. Energy is also there. This is best way 365 day trade. 24 into 7 you can trade. This is best facility. Withdrawal, instant withdrawal you can do. Crypto through you can deposit and withdrawal, Skrill, and so many payment method also there. You can check. Okay, I will give you link through description. Just you open to description. Their company link, company website link. Click to link. Open standard CFD MT5 account. You can open standard CFD MT5 account. You can trade here as like that. I have trade in MT5. Also option also there, but you are suitable. MT5 this is good. Okay. Today discuss to ADX indicator. Just plot the indicator. Right now check to chart. Now no indicator is deployed. Right now click to open main chart. Their average directional movement index, it's short from ADX also tell, but called to ADMI is called to average directional movement index. Just click here. Set up 14 level, 5 levels, time frame, all time frame there, but here level some changes. 1 2 3, this one 90, 23 and 10. Okay, 90, 23 and 10. 90 is a overbought position, or 10 is a oversold. 23 this mentioned to trading uptrend, downtrend and strength. Just look at the chart, then I will discuss here. You can properly understand. Okay, go to chart. Right now chart deploy. Just check here. This is black line. This is black line ADX. Strength, market strength, plus DI, negative DI. That is plus DI. That means market will go strong buyer, and some color changes. Both are white color, but I will check some another color, green. Okay. No, already this is green. Already this is green. Another color placed to here. Color is red color here. Okay. Now watch ADX 14 setup. ADX 14 here 23 show level line, 10 level line and 90 right now not show, but market depend. Okay, high time frame catch to high time frame DX Okay, right now market is 23 above. There follow this is gold market as a 30-minute time frame. There only follow this white line, white line above 23. But the black line main line, this is trend strength. Both are white line crosses here 23 above, and ADX that means black line strongly up. If white line come to up, as well as black line also strong and go to up, that means strong buyer. Right now white line touch 23. Right now white line touch 23, upper 23. There black line, you check there, black line is strong, right now strong. That means market so many buyer is available market right now, not to down, just down, again it will up, because I will follow black line strongly upper side, that means buy side very strong, strength of the buyer. If back testing, if black line here, black line turn and down, market will down, market will down. Here follow just above 23 black line, only one chase follow here. Market when 23 above black line strongly up, there ADX, that means market strength very strong. If buy or buy, if sell, don't worry. Above 23 black line directly go to up, then if price is downtrend, that means more seller is there, and black line strongly upside above 23, or price candle go to upside, that means market strong buyer. Okay, another back testing. Simply you have understand, just here follow 23 above 23, above 23 black line, market go to strong downfall. You as well as follow candle, it is bear candle, that means ADX 23 above, that means seller is strong, market will go down, and then ADX black line turn to below, that means market the seller is finished. Right now buying position open, just check buying position open, another back testing. Just check above 23, above 23 black line strongly up, market go to strong up and down, then cross, then down to touch up 23. Okay, this is gold market, very high volatility. Any other currency? GBP USD is same thing. Just check here, black line above 23, that means market will strong buyer, strong buy, means market strong buy. Just you watch the chart, bull candle made. One thing here follow, above 23 black line cross to 23 level and strongly up, then market will go up. As well as back testing here, back testing there, 23 level touch up and market will go up, strongly up, that means market will go up. As well as back testing here, market touch up, as well as market 23 level cross the black line and go to up, there candle is a bear candle, Here black line touch the 23 then cross the downtrend. Black line 23, here check the candle, check the candle. If candle is a downtrend, that means ADX very strong and down. Just you understand to here check plus DI minus DI. Plus DI that means the bullish inform, or minus DI that means negative inform. Black line ADX 14 that means strength. If buying side run, then strength to strength, you can check to strength. Black candle is buy side very strong. If above to 23, just follow above 23. If black line cross the 23 level and strongly move, that means buy side very strong. If sell coming in chart, then black candle, black line, if 23 above 23 very strongly up, that means seller is down, strong seller is very strong, market go to down. Just here check there market turn to market here, just this candle market turn to here, then strength is below, very low strength, that black candle made up and down black candle made. If strength is down, that means black candle made and bearish candle made. After that 23 level it will go downfall and selling pressure. Just check here, that side cross and touch the 23 level and crosses the down, market will down. As well as 23 crosses and market ADX strongly up, market also up. Just follow above 23. If black line comes to 23 above, that chart is uptrend, that means uptrend very strong. If chart is downtrend, black line above 23 very strongly up, that means chart is downtrend, very strong downtrend. Just follow 23 above black line. If cross the 23 level and strongly up, that means chart is buy, so strong buy, sell, so strong sell. Okay, any other currency, all our currency is same. You have check, this is very strong. Here check above 23, market strong bullish movement, ADX very strong and up. Black line, follow black line above 23. If it will go strongly up, that means market strength very strong. As well as downtrend, just focus here downtrend. There this candle, this candle follow, they turn the ADX and down, ADX turn to down. Here just check, ADX very strong, then market here above 23, ADX strongly up, then market will up. As well as ADX turn to below, then market is very strong down. So many backtesting you can check all currency, USD, JPY. Mostly forex I have do, but lot of people work in forex. That's why follow the forex currency. You can trade here. They are strongly buy. Yeah, 30 minutes time frame. Okay, 5 minute time frames I will check. Just check here. Just check here. Above 23. Above 23, black candle is strongly up, then market also up. Market also up. So many backtesting here. Just check. You can time frame 5 minutes, 30 minutes, 15 minutes you can take. Just check 23 level 23 level touches and market will go up. ADX strongly up, market also up. Okay, any other currency? Step index. Step index available for deriv. Any other company not provided. This is very high profitable. You can try this through link. Click to description here. Link. Click to open standard CFD-MT5 account. Just check here. Here also 5-minute time frame. Just a little profit you can carry. Here this portion 23 to cross the market and little bit up then down. That means a selling pressure highly. It's simple. This is high profitable indicator, but you understand proper. 23 above 23 black line is strongly up, that means buy, and turn, that means sell, strong sell. Just check here. 23 above market chart right now selling pressure, black candle, strongly up, market also downside, strongly downside, because minus DI turn to 10 level, crosses the 10 level, minus DI turn to cross level, as well as ADX above 23 strongly up, that means market strong selling position. They are both white line. One is plus DI, one is minus DI. Minus DI, that means minus 10 to crossover and go to up, and plus DI, this 23 above, up and down, then market down. Any other currency? Volatility 75. They are also same things. 23 crosses the black line strongly, very nice movement here. 23 above 23 crossing the line and the strong to up, very nicely buy. After that move, the market will turn below, market go down. Simple, you can follow this. Above 23 black line strongly, this is mean market will go up. Just here focus. There ADX, this line, black line, turn, you can trade here. ADX turn and downfall, as well as market also down. Okay, crash 500, check to crash 500. This is high profitable. Just here, just check above this line 28, market heavy bullish, that's why black line strongly up or down, strongly up, market also up. Just follow the candle. Here you can trade, place here, good movement, strong buy, you can good profit from this indicator. Just basic, you above 23 black line, if you strongly go, that means buying, and turn to below, that means sell start. Any other currency? Okay, BTC USD crypto. So many people are also trading in crypto. You can use crypto also. Very powerful indicator. Just 23 above 23 here. Just to check, crosses and below the market below, then market down. Right now try to movement to buy, but wait and confirm. Just to check here. Just check here. Here market above 23, here one thing follow, there minus DI below to 10, minus DI go to 10, below to 10 here. Just check here. This line is minus di 19.54. Just check here, minus di here, minus di, go to downside. ADX also strongly up, that means strong sell is there. Right now try to buyer, market will go up. Same back testing you can do here. Just check, nice movement here. Just check above 23, this above 23, market strongly up, candle strongly up, good movement. Then little bit turn, market also down, and little bit up, market also up, strongly uptrend. ADX not to touch 23 and up and down, but above 30, 23 and 37 touches. That means ADX is strongly buyer and seller competition market. So many example is there. US Tech, Nasdaq. So many person trade also Nasdaq. Cross the same thing above 23. This level strongly black line here, minus di also negative formation. That's a market strongly down. Again turn the market, plus di come, again minus di come. White both line minus di and plus di is follow the market above 23, black line. That means market will good, strong strength, and minus di if active above 10, that means strongly sell, plus di above 10, that means strong buy. You follow this. Another candle, crash 300. Crash 300, just check 30 minutes time frame given here. Here above 23, touch the 23 level and strongly ADX very strong, that means market strongly buyer here, as well as plus di also there, strongly above 23 ADX. Plus di is above 23, that means market will strong buy. Just so many backtesting is there, you can check here. Little bit downfall, market also down. So many example you can check there. Just check above 23 ADX strongly up, market also up, price also up. Okay, another jump index. This is very profitable, but you can check and try here. Jump index, this is also 30-minute time frame. Here 23 level, here minus di active, that means strong sell, but ADX is strong. ADX black line mentioned to trend strength. It is minus di above 10, that means market strong sell. Plus di above, that means market will go up, try to up. Right now check, try to up. Okay, any other currency? Mostly so many currencies there. BNB USDT, BTC LTC. Okay, every kind of chart you can set ADX and that type of trading. Follow to ADX 14 level above 23. If strongly here above 23, strongly ADX up, market also up, turn market down, also down. BNB chart, same thing here. Market ADX strongly upside, minus di strongly active above 10, that means market strong downfall. Just check here, here ADX turn to below, market also down, down, down. So many example here, you can try this. Basket index, crypto index, energy. So many people also trade natural gas. Okay, check to natural gas. Natural gas, how to trade? Through ADX. Just check here. Just check here. Here, ADX not too strong, below 23. Then market down. If ADX 23, that means markets are plus DI above 23, that means market very strong. Or if ADX is turned to below and minus DI above to 10, that means market strong sell. Just check here. Here same thing, above 23 plus DI also above 23, market up. Then turn to ADX, market down. Then turn to market up, ADX also up strongly. Then market down, minus DI active. Minus DI, that this is minus DI, this is minus DI also active. Downfall, market also down. Simple, but just think about that. ADX is a black line. It will above 23, the strong strength uptrend. If ADX strongly 23 and turn minus DI active, then market with strong sell. Just focus it. Natural gas, any other? Okay, DEX index. This is a new instrument. Just check there. DEX 600 index. These all are very profitable. You can trade open MT5, then you can good analysis from here. Also trade there. Just check they are 23, above 23, minus DI active, market strong downfall. DI turn downfall. Minus DI negative, minus DI above to 10, minus DI above to 10, that market also selling side, up and down, up and down. Here one more range break. Range break 200 there. Range break 200. This chart, range break 200. This chart there also follow the market here above 23. Candlestick go to up and down. When ADX down turn, that means market will down. ADX turn to up, market will up and strongly strength. ADX basically follow this indicator. ADX show trend. If plus DI active, then market will strong buy. Minus DI active, that means market will strong sell. ADX only indicate your market strength. Mostly you can use stochastic indicator to ADX, RSI indicator to ADX, moving average to ADX. You can check the market strength. This is very suitable and strong indicator you can use. Very nice indicator, but you can confirm after level 23. Then black candle if strongly upside, that means buying side, and turn to below, that means sell side. This is main things you remind it. Each and every chart you can follow. Above 23 black line strongly upper move, that means market strongly buy. Strength is very high. And turn to above below side, that means market sell side, it's a strongly downside. Focus only market chart ADX 14 use, and just a check to set up 14 period level 90 23 10. Same thing, 23 is main factor. If 23 above black lines, that means market will very strong strength. Okay, this is ADX average directional movement index talk to is short from ADX also tell. You can check so many currencies is there. You can any currency set up and deploy the indicator, you can trade here. Good profit come, but you will do confirm signal. If a black line below 23, that means market very strong very sorry market weak. Below black line below 23 market weak, or up 23 market very strong, but confirm the signal, then you can trade. Okay friends, today ADX you have clear, I think. You message if not clear, so then message me, I will help you. At first you open the account, there is so many facility. At 24 hours you can trade this facility, instant withdrawal. 25 years old trusted company. Open through link, open standard CFD MT5 account. Okay friends, thank you very much. Please subscribe, comment, like, share. Next I will try to another video. Maximum like, comment, share, subscribe. I will motivate for video. Okay, thank you friends, all are welcome. Bye bye.